Right guys, I've got something a little different for you today. Hopefully you'll all enjoy this. It's a beautiful summer's day. Wherever you are in the world, I hope you're experiencing the same as well. And I'm feeling quite creative. So I've decided to come out to the woods today with some cling film and I'm going to do some art. Something that probably a lot of you don't know about me is that I'm a graffiti artist. It's not something I've ever spoke about, I don't believe, in previous videos. So yeah, I'm going to wrap some cling film around 2 trees and use that as my canvas. None of the trees will be damaged in the process, nothing will get left behind. I'll take everything down when I finish and that'll all go home with me. After I've done that, I'm in the woods where me and Junior started our little bushcraft base. So if I've got enough time, I'm going to go there as well and start prepping some wood for that log shed. So it should be a quite action-packed day and an interesting video for you guys to sit back and enjoy. So I hope that you do just that. So pull up a seat, chill out, and I'll check back in with you guys once I'm set up. Okay, so there we have it. I've cling filmed around these 2 trees. These 2 trees obviously really nicely spread apart, just the right distance. If they're too far apart, I'm going to waste too much cling film, and I don't really need to be doing anything that big today. So this is ideal. I'm out in the sunshine, surrounded by beautiful trees. This has got to be the best art studio in the world. Surely nobody can provide anything like this in a classroom.
I'm alone. Tell me who could come by and make me hang up the phone. I got roses on my bed, I got pillows for your head, I got everything we need right here. We be up all night through the highs and the lows. We be picking fights till it's out of control. Then we say sorry like it's nothing. Yes, that's how we roll. The highs and the lows. Oh.
Well, I'm not gonna lie, that was a complete disaster. Not to worry, we've still got a full day ahead of us. It's kind of the reason I brought the saw and the axe. So if that does go to pot, then we can just crack on chopping some wood and still enjoy the rest of the day. I don't know if it was because the spray cans had been in the garage for a while, they've been sat there for ages, so the paint just wasn't coming out as it should and it was blocking all the caps. I've only brought a handful of caps and I've kind of gone through them now, so never mind. We've still got the rest of the day. It's still a beautiful, sunny, bright, warm day, so we'll enjoy the rest of it together, and I'll post a picture anyway so you guys can see what I'm talking about with these cling film paintings, and I'll post a picture of one that I did previously with, well, the last time I was out doing this, so you guys can get an idea.
I got everything we need right here. We be up all night through the highs and the lows. We be picking fights till it's out of control. Then we say sorry like it's nothing. Yes, that's how we roll. The highs and the lows.
How beautiful is this? In a few more weeks, possibly a month or 2 more, this place will be swarming with like mosquitoes like it was a year ago when me and Junior came. I think we made 2 or 3 videos actually during that period of time where all the mosquitoes and black fly were out, and you can see in the videos that we were just getting eaten alive. But it's just absolutely amazing, like all the birds are out. I love the way the light's coming through these trees behind me as well. It's like creating a haze. It's a bit like mystical. I could just sit here for hours, like being quiet and listening. Sounds amazing. So peaceful. So peaceful! So I've basically just pimped out the log shed with some of this dead conifer that was, some of this dead pine that was already on the floor over there. And there was no real need, to be fair. I mean, it was already waterproof as it was, but I just think it looks better. Everybody likes to see a bit of green. A bit of greenery around the camp always works wonders. Looks so much better. For anybody looking to get out, lose a bit of weight, get fit, I highly recommend coming to the woods and doing some sowing, chopping some wood. Obviously be very careful and don't go chopping down live trees, but for most people I know, getting out into the outdoors is enjoyable. So if you don't enjoy going to the gym, you're not one of these people that likes to stand on a treadmill to try and lose weight, I highly recommend just coming to the woods, getting out there and doing a bit of bushcraft. Oh man, I've just come out of like the woods and it's absolutely freezing. The temperature, like since the sun's gone down, it's just absolutely freezing. There's like even like a fog forming just on this path. I'm not sure if you can see that, it's like a mist. It's going to be really cold tonight. Maybe just because it's so clear. I've been thinking recently, like, what the hell am I? Am I an explorer? Am I a vlogger? What am I? Like, how do you describe what the hell I am in this YouTube game? I think I prefer vlogger because vlogger touches on everything. Like, you can, if you're a vlogger, you can talk about anything, and that's kind of what I do. I don't just stick to the UFOs, Bigfoot, ghosts. I talk about bushcraft, I talk about life, I talk about just everything, although the backbone of what I like to discuss and talk about with you guys is the thought-provoking topics, because that's just kind of what I've always had an interest in. So yeah, I think I'll go with vlogger. Vlogger's good. It's been an absolute pleasure to be out with you guys today. Hopefully you've enjoyed coming out and enjoyed this video. I'm really sorry that I never got to finish the artwork at the start of this video. That's a bit of a bummer, but there's not really much I could do. It was a schoolboy error on my part. Like, I've not touched them paints for like over a year, so they've been sat in the garage, which isn't very good. And then it was my fault because I only brought like 3 or 4 caps out and they blocked pretty quick, so that's schoolboy error on my part. But I suppose the upside to that is it leaves room for a video further on down the line, so we can always get out and do that again, and I'll show you guys some artwork out in the woods on another hopefully glorious day. So not all is lost, and I mean, I managed to get some wood chopped for the log shed as well, which was really good. It's always nice to come back and have some pre-chopped wood waiting there for you just to stick on the fire without messing around, especially if you want to come later when it's a bit dark. But yeah, been an absolute pleasure, and like I said guys, I hope that you have all enjoyed this video. The next time I'm back out, be a change of scenery. I'm looking to get up another mountain at some point, because I've only ever done one while making these videos, so that'd be interesting. That'd be quite nice to get back out on a mountain. It'd be nice to get Junior out as well on one of these, because he's not really been up a mountain yet. He's always just like done woodland camps and things like that, so that'd be cool. And it's just great that, like I've said before, there's a platform like YouTube that allows me to bring you guys along with me on these trips, even if it is just coming down to the woods for the day and pretty much tinkering about. It's still nice. It connects everybody together. I love that. Right guys, I'm back at the car now. Thank you again, like I said in advance, for coming along with me today. It's been awesome. It's been good for my mind as well. It's always nice. So take it easy guys and look after yourself. Please, please, please look after yourself. And as I always say, if you can, please help somebody out. That's a big one for me. Yeah, you guys are amazing, and we'll speak again soon.
Call me on a late night and ask me if I'm alone.